Hi, I'm Bob with Wolfe Ridge. We're back from Christmas vacation. Let's go inside and see what everybody's working on today. All right, we'll go over my Nick here, see what's going on. Hey Nick, what are you working on?
Hey there, I'm working on a skid steer splitter here.
Okay.
Yeah, we'll put an attachment on it and be able to pick it up with the skid steer.
Okay. So everything going in the jig right now?
Yep, I'll do all the tacking right here, get it all in place.
Okay.
And then we'll put it over there and the robot will finish welding it.
Okay, let's check out that robot.
Yep, so this here is the very beginning of the skid steer splitter. The robot is doing all of the main welds, which is cool because they look really nice that way, make the customers happy. Yeah, this we'll just put an attachment right on the end of it here and you can pick it up with your skid steer.
Nice. Over here we got aluminum hydraulic tanks being welded. Let's get a close-up over here. All right, over here we got a conveyor trailer frame being built. See, David is doing the welding here. So he jigs these up right here, tacks them, and then welds them completely at this station. All right, guys, behind me you can see both press brakes. Both of them are in action right now. So I'm gonna get up close and show you guys what they're making on these things. All right, we'll head into Ben's office, see how it's going in here. Hey, Ben.
Hey,
What are you up to today?
well, just working hard. Trying to catch up on phone calls and emails. Phone's been blowing up today. I'm doing the best I can to keep up with everybody and get my orders entered into to our system here. But yeah, lots of orders, lots of people trying to contact us over the Christmas break. So
Yeah, I've heard phone's been going crazy all day. I've heard it.
Yep, we're working hard. Yeah, we'll get your orders in as quick as you can because it's almost the end of the year.
Yeah. As of right now, what's the lead time?
Right now we got 6 to 8 weeks on the normal splitters.
Okay.
So yeah, get your orders in and
Cool.
we'll get you going right away.
All right. Sounds good, man.
Yep.
Keith's working on final assembly here of this firewood conveyor. This is a 24-foot. So right now he's working on tensioning the chains. What do you got left to do on this one?
Label it with stickers, throw the cylinders on and bolt the two pieces together, fill with oil and run it.
Nice. Looks great. Here we got a skid steer splitter, SS2824 HD, ready to go out. The sticker's not upside down, the splitter's upside down. Back here, some more sold machines ready to head out the door. Starting with 17 RS, 28 Pros, 28 Pro C. Nice, beautiful blue box wedge machine over here. Look at this. This guy's also getting the 12-way. The light tower. This one's loaded up. We got another load getting ready to head out. Wolfgang's strapped central here, getting everything tied down, making sure it's safe for the load. This is gonna go, he's heading back out east again. I think he's got stops in Ohio, Pennsylvania, and it sounds like New Jersey too. So you can see everybody's staying pretty busy here at Wolfe Ridge. I tried to walk you guys through a few of the different stations to show you different procedures as these machines are getting built. It's pretty fascinating to see all of the different operations that they have here. Now with the press brakes, the robotic welder, the regular welders, and the laser, a lot of the stuff can be done in-house, and it's pretty awesome to see. As Ben mentioned in this video, lead times are very reasonable right now. If you're looking to get your new Wolfe Ridge splitter, firewood conveyor, bagging station, give us a call, send us an email, or visit our website for all pricing, options, lead time, everything's there. I'll leave the links in the description here for you guys. I know that 2023 has been a great year for Wolfe Ridge. I've only been here for 1 month of it, and I've been enjoying it very much. We thank you guys for everything over 2023, and we're looking forward to 2024 with you guys. Happy New Year.